Hey, I received this dust collector for my table saw. I'm going to check it out and see how well it works. Let's go. First, here's a test cut without using any dust collection. The first step is to clean the inside of the base where the Velcro will attach. Then we'll do some light sanding on that just to break the surface, give the adhesive something to stick to. We'll clean that off with some denatured alcohol, and we'll apply some hook and loop. Let's see. Whoa, buddy. Got carried away. Now that the alcohol has completely evaporated, I'm going to attach the hook and loop. And when I get to the end, I'll cut it to the final needed length. I'm finding that the overall width of the bag is a bit wider than the actual width of my saw. So what I'm kind of trying to do is start in the corners. I have this corner applied, and I'm about to apply this corner just at the end. There we go, it's getting a little stuck on the side. And now I will kind of tack it down in the middle here, and kind of split that in the middle, and just kind of bunch it up to get it attached all the way across, and sort of distribute the surface. Seems like a good idea. We'll see. I guess it would have to be a bigger size, or at least a size that would accommodate multiple saws. So that doesn't surprise me too much. Okay, so I've got a pretty good connection all the way around the perimeter. I'm just kind of going through and making sure that it's all attached. There's kind of a funny spot there. That's all right. Just make sure everything is all right. And here's where you would connect a shop vac. Instructions say to have this aiming toward the rear of the table saw, so that's what I've done. So there you have it. I think it works quite well. It seems to reduce the amount of sawdust. If I was to try to put a number on it, 85, 90%. And that's what the product literature claims. I believe it says that it can reduce the sawdust by 90%. I'd say it does that. I didn't show it, but off camera I did that same cut 3 or 4 times successively with the dust collector on, with the shop vac turned on, and even after that there were 3 or 4 cuts. There was far less sawdust on the ground than there was after a single cut with no dust collection. So for me, I think it works quite well, and I'm very glad to have it. I want to say thanks to Milescraft for sending that product to me. Full disclosure, I did not pay for it. They sent it to me for use in videos, but that has not influenced my opinion of it. If it didn't work well, I would say so. It was quick and easy to put on, it's easy to use, and it really does seem to work well. So thanks to Milescraft. And thanks to you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Thanks.